RSA Protective Technologies introduces the patented Flood Mitigation System, FMS. FMS consists of a series of retractable connected floodwall panels. The system also includes a comprehensive drainage pump and sump system. Widespread flooding is one of the most urgent problems facing the United States and much of the world today, due in large part to climate change. In the U.S. alone, flooding has caused nearly $165 billion in damages in the last several decades. Tragically, catastrophic flooding also has claimed the lives of many people over this same period of time. The FMS is the most effective, large-scale retractable flood mitigation solution on the market today. The FMS wall raises to a height of 6 feet in just over 1 minute. This video demonstrates how the FMS raises to contain floodwaters. It also demonstrates how the walls retract once flooding is no longer a threat. The same materials used in this example are the same used in a full-scale FMS solution. The left side of the screen shows an example of rising water levels due to heavy flooding. The right side of the screen shows how the FMS has prevented any water from entering into the protected area. There are multiple applications for the FMS. The FMS can be mounted inside a sand beach to protect coastal areas. The FMS can be mounted inside levees to protect critical civil infrastructure such as water supply and treatment plants, as well as power plants. The FMS can be mounted under walkways to protect municipal buildings and other government buildings. The FMS can be mounted under sidewalks to protect residential neighborhoods, retirement communities, and other vulnerable locations.